Greetings everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to remove rust from metals using electrolysis. The principle behind electrolysis is passing current through a solution to create a chemical reaction. In this particular case, rust will be rejected from one metal while it will be attracted to the other one. Let's begin. Firstly, I'm gonna combine baking soda with water. The ratio I'm using is half teaspoons baking soda to 1 gallon of water. You can also use washing soda. Notice how corroded this spanner is. My source of electricity will be a computer charger. It will be supplying direct current to my electrolytic solution. Next, I will strip two wires. For demonstration, one will be red while the other one is black. The red one will indicate my positive while the black one will be my negative. I will connect one end of the black wire to the spanner. That's the spanner I want to be clean. The red one will be connected to my anode. This is a piece of rebar which will be my anode. I am using a screwdriver to suspend my anode because I don't want both metals to come into contact with each other. This would create a short circuit which will activate the protection device inside the computer charger adapter. When this happens, it will trip and no current will be supplied. In this case, a screwdriver would not have been the best option to use as the exposed wires can come into contact with the screwdriver and thus create a short circuit. A piece of dry stick would have been a better option. Now I'm making my connections. The shine part of the computer charger is the negative, while the inner part, which has a pin inside, is the positive. The shine part will always be negative, while the inner part will always be positive. I'm now adding piece of electrical tape to secure the connections. You don't necessarily have to add electrical tape. Now I'm going to plug in and let's see what happens. Notice how the bubbles have started to form on both metals. And as you can see, the water is slowly changing color. If you have made sure your connections are secure, your metals aren't in contact with each other, and have not noticed any action started once you are plugged in, then that means the solution might be a bit too concentrated. To correct this, you will need to add some water and then unplug the computer charger. Wait for a few seconds, then replug it once again. I will leave this to run for some time. So, an update. This is exactly 3 hours since I've started the process. So, it has now been 15 hours since I've started the entire process. I will be removing the connections and cleaning the metal. It is quite normal for the metal which you are trying to clean to become black. So I'm gonna use a steel wool to clean. This area wasn't inside the solution. If you have a wire brush will make cleaning a bit faster. The part which was inside the solution is much easier to clean, and you will notice it at the end. The part which wasn't submerged takes more effort to clean, and it won't be as clean as the part which was submerged. This is the final result of the process. The spanner have now become clean, and the piece of free bar which was once clean have become dirty. Thanks for watching.